Do you want to learn epoxy resin but have no clue where to even begin? Do you find yourself saying, I don't have the space, the tools, or even the talent to do that? What if I told you that this was a learned skill rather than a talent? No, I wasn't born a little baby with the artistic skills and genius to craft the things that I do today. I learned. Hey, you guys, I am Nita, and I am introducing Epoxy Resin 101 Masterclass. I am so excited to bring you the basics of epoxy resin to take you from absolute beginner to becoming a confident master of your craft. I have had a long journey with resin, and it has been a love-hate relationship. Mostly love on my end, but at times I thought resin hated me. There is a huge learning curve, and I am here to help you save time and money on this journey. Over the last 5.5 years and over 2,000 projects that I've completed and sold, I have learned some of the most valuable information when it comes to resin because I have pushed not only resin, but myself to the limits with this. I'm going to share everything that I've learned with you guys to get you going in the same direction. In this course, you're going to learn about the different types of resin, how to stay safe while using it, how to mix, how to pour, how to color, how to finish. I am going to teach you all of the basics of epoxy. Are you guys ready to get started on your resin journey? If that's a yes, click the button today. I'll see you guys in there.